from H.I.C. USA. It comes with a manual as well over here. And Josh will be helping me. Bakit ganito? Josh will be helping me install. Wait.
Okay, so just count 1 to 3. And then that's how easy it is. Okay? 1, 2, 3, count!
1,
1,
2, 3,
2,
4, 5,
3!
6.
And next is my rear visor from H.I.C. USA. Rear visor. I just wanted to complete the look for at the back of my car because we're gonna install something big soon, very soon. And I want it to be just a rear visor, not the one they call what did they call the other one? Like the other one that you put at the back. Yeah, so I don't want to put the vortex just because it looks really aggressive for me. I just want it to be a cleaner look. So I ordered the rear visor. So it's just like... Okay guys, so our next install will be my rear visor from H.I.C. USA. And Josh will be helping me since he already installed it on his Civic Si. It comes with an instructions. So if it's your first time, you can read it. But we don't really need it because I have Josh with me. A boyfriend who knows about cars and stuff. Okay, Josh, so if you're ready, start now. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. We're done! And now for the most satisfying part is removing this. Wow! Thanks, babe! So we're just gonna leave it
Outside the sun.
outside under the sun so the glue will like really stick to the car. Hey. Something's missing, right? Yay.
What are you doing? What are you doing? So literally leave it under the sun. The rear. Literally. Nice, nice. Thanks, H.I.C.
Nice, nice. Thanks, H.I.C. Okay guys, everything was a success. My Tsurikawa from JDM Tsurikawa and my rear visor from H.I.C was really a success. Once again, thank you to Josh for helping me install my rear visor. I'll see you guys soon on my next video. Thank you!